Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find display and brightness. Let's tap on it. Then we have to scroll down to localize the option auto screen off. Let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds. And at the bottom, the longest option, which is 30 minutes in this device. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 5 minutes. So let me tap on it. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.